My hotpoint Aquarius dishwasher FDL570 has rapid flashing on/off and wash lights. Have you any idea what might be going on and how to restore it to normal service?
Hi, if you have the wash light flashing along with the on/off light, this is an anti-flood error code. Basically, water has leaked into the base of the dishwasher and has activated the flood switch, which is causing the error code. What you need to do is pull the dishwasher out and lean it backwards. This will allow the water to drain out from the base and reset the flood switch. So you will need a towel for this part. Once the water is cleared from the base, the flood switch will reset itself. So then retry it and see how it goes. Fingers crossed this is a one-off overfill that caused it. But if it happens again, then there is something under there leaking, which you will need to find and fix to cure this. So try that and see how it goes and let me know. Regards.
Thanks very much indeed. Very useful.
You're very welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.